Hey everybody, G Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we have a grocery haul. This grocery haul is in collaboration with some other wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and it is hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6 as well as Jessica from Jessica Myros. So be sure to check out their channels as well as the playlist to see what everybody else ended up getting in their grocery haul. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay, so my first items here are the frozen things that you see here. We ended up getting this 7 cheese pizza here, the rising crust. I love this. This is one of my favorite frozen pizzas. It is delicious for sure. Make sure that you end up getting it. It used to be under $5, but since we have inflation going on, it is a little bit more excuse me, it's a little bit more than what it used to be. Not that much more, I can't remember for sure, but I'll put the price of what this pizza costs now. Then we have the Van de Kamp beer battered fillets here. This is something that my husband wanted. He must have had a taste for it. So we ended up getting these. My daughter, she wanted us to get her some of these pepperoni pizza snack rolls here. So we got those for her. Then if you look over here, ended up getting some mild shredded cheddar cheese. The Great Value Party Size Original chips here. That's something that my husband wanted. Then we got the mega size Reese's Puffs here. Those are for my kids. They tend to like those a lot. Then we ended up getting some more hamburger buns. I'm not sure why we have these because we do have some, but maybe my husband just had a taste for these because these are a little sweeter than the typical hamburger bun. Then we needed some more bread, and I like having these because I love the calorie count on this particular light potato bread here. It's pretty tasty. Then my kids wanted some Oreos. Oh, I didn't notice they had the double stuff. I hope they'll still eat those. They probably will. But anyway, they wanted these Oreos, so we got those. Then this is one of my favorite types of soups. This market side celery and cauliflower parmesan soup. Oh, this is delicious, especially when you get the dipping in the crackers with it too. What? Yeah. One of my faves, for sure. Then we ended up getting some more water. So actually this water is for me. I usually don't like to drink water for the most part. I'm just going to be honest. So I decided to start getting this flavored water here. So I got 2 packages of this. It's 0 calories for the most part, but this particular flavor I got this time is the pineapple and mango flavor. Then we ended up getting these strawberry cream cookies here, the wafers, because my husband really likes those. My daughter wanted some of these Nature Valley Crunch granola bars in the honey and oats flavor. Those are pretty good for the most part. We got the 12 count this time. Normally we get the larger size, but this time we got the 12 count. Then we needed some more sugar, so we got that. We needed some more milk, so we only got 1 gallon because we do have 1 gallon in the refrigerator already. Then as far as for juices, this particular week, I wanted to try out this Mango Peach Splash V8 juice here. Normally I get the healthy green V8 juice, but this time I decided that I wanted to have something a little different, so I got this. My husband usually likes this Sunny D vitamin C juice here, so he ended up getting this week. Also, my husband also likes tea, so he wanted to get this Milo's extra sweet tea here, so we got that. Then in the category of non-foods, we ended up getting some more baking soda. I like to use this when I am cleaning things around the house, in particular laundry, so I got some more of that. Never can have too much. Then I also ended up getting white vinegar because I usually like to have that on hand. Then my husband wanted to try out this he wanted to try out this Moisture Care Coconut Divine, is what it says, body oil gel. I don't know what. I've never seen this before, but he saw it and he was like, So anyway, he ended up picking this up from Walmart. And my daughter asked for us to pick up this Sensitive Dove deodorant for her. Then my husband needed some more deodorant, so he ended up picking up this. Then my daughter, just so she will leave my brush alone, I ended up picking up this brush for her because, hey, I just don't like people touching my stuff. I really don't, especially hair things. Not that I'm trying to be selfish. I just like her to have her own stuff, so she'll leave my stuff alone. And the last item was this Dove soap here. So they didn't have the Equate Walmart off, knockoff, which is what I usually prefer to get. So I just ended up getting this Sensitive Dove soap here. And so there's two other things that I ended up getting. This vitamin D supplement. So my husband, he needed to get these here. And then since I've had a recent test showed that my vitamin D was low, I needed to get these vitamin Ds here. That's what's recommended for me at this present time. Okay, so we didn't end up spending too much at the store. Focus. Anyway, from Walmart, this is a really small haul for us. Usually we spend up to $125, $150, but this week we didn't really need to get a lot of things. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys this app that I end up using a lot of times. Each time I purchase something, no matter where it is, this time I'm going to use it for Walmart grocery store, and it is called Fetch. And with this app, I am always able to just collect points, and once you collect the amount of points that you want, then you are able to redeem the points. And last year I was able to get a $25 gift card because I had redeemed my points. So this is what you end up doing. You just take the receipt. I'm gonna try and do this on camera as best as I can. You take the receipt and you do a snapshot of it just like that. You see that it's moving. Let me bring it up a little bit more. And there you go. Once you see the 3 green buttons, then you are ready to submit that particular receipt. Wow, look at how many points I ended up getting just from this grocery haul. 141 points. Okay, now that is excellent. I'm just saying, it's really good. This is how many points I have since December. 19,989 points. Like I said, I just continue to snap a picture of any receipt that I have, any receipt that you have. It doesn't have to be just the grocery store. And once you are finish with, what am I trying to say? Once you have, you know, redeemed all the points that you want, then you just end up, you go right to where it says rewards. And then you just start scanning for different things that you want. See, right now I am almost, well, I'm not up to 25,000, but I was there in December. Okay, so as I was saying, so you can redeem your points and you can get a large amount of points. I just began doing this mid part of last year. That's why I only got up to 25,000 points. And then I just wanted to redeem them so that I could end up getting some things for Christmas. But yes, you can go really, really high with this. You can just continue going as long as you know you want to, and then end up redeeming the points, and then before you know it, you end up getting these gift cards. I ended up getting I think it was an Amazon gift card, and then they have various types. I can't remember all of them, but it's a lot of different places that you can get gift cards for. Okay, and you get the rewards, or you get the gift card, I believe it's emailed to you. It's not something that you have in your hand and you can go to the store with. But anyway, yeah, so I love doing that. Especially, I'm just always, every time someone has a receipt, I'm trying to redeem it. Now, the most that you can get, well, I won't say the most, the least amount that you can get in most cases now is 25 points. And that really can add up. And like I said, you can use any type of receipt that you want. Now, that receipt does have to be used within, it has to be a receipt that is no older, I should say, than like 14 days, I believe it is. 7 to 14 days. You can't use anything that has been longer than that, because then the system will say this receipt is too old, you know. And so if that's the case, then of course you can't get any points for it. But if it is like less than that amount of time, you know, as soon as you can, you know, scan that receipt. Basically, that's what you really should do. And that's most times what I do. It's very seldom. It might be maybe the next day that I might wait, but in most cases I'm trying to get those points. So I don't wait very long before I have to scan a receipt. So anyway, I hope this was also helpful, just like seeing what I have gotten from Walmart and the CVS pharmacy store. Be sure to check out Tiffany and Jessica's channels. I will link them down in the description box, as well as the playlist for any and everyone else that was a part of today's collab. And I will see you guys in the next one.